Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna learn to do this stitch. If you like to do a wavy, looks like wavy blanket, or even a scarf if you like this. The stitch is reversible. It's a very easy stitch. We're gonna work with single crochet and double crochet, and that's it. It's very easy, this one. Well, I'm sure you can find some things to do with this. Yeah, it looks like this. No, it's really interesting, especially if you have a chunky or a thick yarn. It will look really nice. Okay, with this stitch we're gonna have to chain multiples of 5 plus one more, but do the 5 to be like 15, 25, 35, 45. It has to have a 5 at the end. Do not chain 10, 20, 30, 40. It's not gonna be the same. Yeah. So I chain my multiples of 5. I have 15 here, so I'm gonna chain one more, because this is 5 plus one more, the multiple of this stitch. Okay, now we're gonna skip the first chain, and in the second chain from the hook we're gonna do a single crochet. So in each chain for this row until we finish the row, we're gonna do single crochet. So move to the next chain and do a single crochet. So we're gonna do like this in each chain, single crochet. Yeah, well, it looks like this stitch has only one row repeat, but well, kind of two. But basically in the beginning we start different, but yeah, well, we can say there are 2 rows repeat with this stitch, but they're very easy, very easy. I know, if you have a soft yarn and you do a baby blanket, will look really nice. Okay, last chain, single crochet, and now we're gonna chain 1, turn your work. And now what we're gonna do, in the first 5 stitches we're gonna place single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we're gonna place in each one single crochet. So the first stitches here, we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet. Move to the next one, next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet. So we should do 5. So I did what, 3, 4 and the next 5. So we're gonna work in sets of 5. So we have 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the next 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're gonna work into the back loop, and we're gonna do double crochet. So move to the next stitch, yarn over the hook into the back loop, gonna go in there and you're gonna do a double crochet. Move to the next stitch, back loop, double crochet. So we did 2. Move to the next stitch, back loop, double crochet. So this is the 3rd. We have to do 2 more. So move to the next stitch into the back loop, and we're gonna do a double crochet. So it's 1 more, next stitch, back loop, double crochet. So we are left with 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I said chain multiples of 5, but to be with 5 at the end, not with 0. So in the last 5 stitches we're gonna place single crochet in each stitch. So move to the next stitch and do a single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, and the last stitch, the 5th one, single crochet. And now we're gonna chain 3. leave this one loose if you, the third one, if you work tight. So now turn your work. It's gonna look like this. So now we have single crochets here. Well, we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna do double crochet, but we're not gonna go into this first stitch here. We're gonna go into the next, this one. So yarn over the hook. So we're not gonna go in here because this chain 3 comes from, yeah. So we're gonna do double crochet into the back loop. 4 double crochets in the next 4 stitches, yeah. So yarn over the hook, move to the next stitch, back loop, double crochet, move to the next stitch, back loop, double crochet. So we did 3 double crochets, 1 2 3, one more. You see you have the single crochet after that. The next 5 is the double crochet, the stitches. So we have one more here to do double crochet into the back loop. So you do 4 double crochet, and with the chain 3 it's 5, yeah. Okay, now the next 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5, we're going to place in each stitch single crochet. So move to the next stitch and do a single crochet, move to the next stitch, single crochet, and so on for the next 5 stitches in total. So the last double crochet is here, so we're going to go into that and we do 5 single crochets. Okay, so because we started with double crochet, we're going to finish with a double crochet. So in the next 5, the last 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5, into the back loop, we're going to place in each stitch double crochet. Move to the next stitch, back loop, double crochet, next stitch, back loop, double crochet. Okay, the last stitch is here, yarn over the hook, we're gonna go into the last stitch, back loop, double crochet, chain 1. You're gonna turn your work looking like this. So now we have double crochets here, then we're gonna do single crochet. But each time you do single crochet, when you start the row, you're gonna go into the first stitch. When you have to do the double crochet, then you don't go into this, yeah. But now with the first stitch is here, we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do single crochet. We're gonna do exactly the opposite, not double crochet. We're gonna do single crochet in each stitch for the next 5 stitches. So this is the second, third, the 4th, and the 5th. And now we have the next 5 stitches in which we're gonna place to the back loop 5 double crochet. So move to the next stitch, back loop, double crochet, next stitch, back loop, double crochet, and so on. It's I think you already got the idea. It's very easy. So the next stitch, back loop, double crochet, yarn over the hook. We have one more. We do double crochet, and now the next we have 1 2 3 4 stitches, but we're gonna place into the chain, top chain, a single crochet to do 5. So the next stitch we're gonna do single crochet, next stitch the same, single crochet. It's a very easy stitch to do this one. So the chain 3 is here, 1 2 3. We're gonna go on top of the third one and we're gonna inside the chain and do a single crochet. Each time you finish with a single crochet, that means the next row is gonna be the double crochet, so you're gonna have to chain 3, 1 2 and 3. That's why I said leave the third one loose in case you work too tight, because this is the one that you want to go into the chain and do the single crochet. And it's already starting to be wavy. So now we have single crochets here. So you don't go into this one, the stitch, you go into the next one, yeah. So you're gonna yarn over the hook, back loop, so you don't go into this one, and do a double crochet. Move to the next stitch, double crochet. So you're gonna do only 4 double crochets into the next, 4 stitches in there, and the last one, and the next 5 double crochet we're gonna place in each stitch single crochet. So move to the next stitch, single crochet, next one, single crochet, next stitch the same. In total 5 single crochets. So we have left 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So in this we're gonna place yarn over the hook through the back loop, double crochets. I'm sorry about the noise. They're fixing the roads because was like mudslides, and the road went down last year when the typhoon in October did a lot of damage around here. Yeah. So now you're gonna, because you finish with a double crochet, now you're gonna chain 1. You're gonna start with a single crochet because you do exactly the opposite. Yeah. Single crochet in each stitch. Here 2, 1 2 3 4 5, and then the next 5 there will be double crochet, and here single crochet, and you're gonna go on top of the chain 3 here, and you're gonna do a single crochet, and then you're gonna chain 3, and you're gonna start again with a double crochet. So yeah, it's really easy, this row, but you're gonna have to be careful because after this one, especially when you have to do this one here, single crochet, after you finish, let's say it's comes like this and you miss this. Yeah, it's so easy to miss these ones. Yeah. Well, this is a stitch. Well, give it a try. I'm sure you can find something to do with this stitch. Let me put a little bit, maybe see better from distance like this. Yeah, it's weird. It kind of makes me dizzy, to be honest. But if you think you can do something, some crochet project with this stitch, give it a try. I'm sure you can find something to do. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, because I keep forgetting to give you the crochet hook number. It's 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. I will put it in the description box in the beginning for you guys to see what kind of number I used. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.